Get ready me, we're gonna do some Mob Wife makeup. I used the Makeup by Mario palette today. This shade through the eye. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and we're gonna get a darker shade. We're gonna do this shade. Then we're gonna line around our eyes with a little darker shade. Almost like a gray shade. And this can be as messy as you want it. The whole point of this is to be messier than usual. You kind of want to make it really messy, not too perfected. So like really smudge it under the eye. Alright, we're gonna curl the lashes first. I'm gonna take my black Makeup by Mario pencil liner and line top and bottom. And you can get this on your waterline a little bit, this outside. We're trying to make it a little more smudgy of a look. And on the top. I'm gonna take my super precise brush. I'm gonna really buff out that liner. So as you can see, it's more softer on one side. I always flick my eyes upward because I have such hooded eyes, so they need a little bit of extra, help. Like that. I'm gonna start with the mascara. If you follow me, you know I do 3 layers of this stuff over time before I finish my makeup. As I did that. Alright, that's that. Your girl needs some glow, so we're gonna use the Supergoop sunscreen, my everyday sunscreen, if I'm not using the tinted one. If you want to know the tinted one I use, you can watch my Get Ready With Me video, my everyday makeup. My skin is so dry today because I used Triclone, and last night I used it, which I only use it maybe max twice a week. Winter like once a week because I have severely dry skin. Okay, my HAUS Labs foundation we're gonna use. The goal in this makeup of Mob Wife makeup, which is a little more grungy, honestly. It's a little more messy, is to have not as glowy of a face. It's a little more matte, a little more dramatic, a lot of browns, especially in the lip and the eyes. Gotta take my Natasha Denona concealer per usual. Cover up these bags. I do a little bit right here too. And then once I blend this out, I'm actually gonna smoke out the eyes just a tiny bit more. I do have very hooded eyes, by the way, so the best way to do the eyeshadow is actually do brown all over the lid, but since my eyes are so hooded, it just kind of looks weird, so I'm kind of doing it my version. I always lift at the end with the eyes, no matter what. Now we're gonna set that. Those little triangle sponges you can buy on Amazon. I've been using those all summer since they became a trend. And kind of try to mattify your face more than have it glowy in this. Just set all over the face. Second layer of mascara. And now we're gonna do eyebrows real quick. Brows are the same as I always do them, super simple. We're gonna do some contour now. We're kind of keeping everything very cool toned on the face, not super warm. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer to kind of contour. The goal is to have very like snatched face, kind of warm, not too blushy. I don't even think we're gonna wear blush. You can, there's some neutral blushes I have I can wear for this, but always do the jawline. Mob Wife makeup is also very sculpted. It's almost, think about it almost like a villain makeup. It's very lifted, very strong, sharp, not a lot of color. That's what I've noticed. Always do the nose. Do lots of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. This is a very smudged out look. Gives a little more sultry look too. Alright, the lip is kind of the star of this. And we're gonna do this lip liner. This is from Sephora. This actually blew up on TikTok and I got it. This is the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Rosewood, number 15. And it's a very brown shade. So we're gonna line the lips. And then take a little bit of gloss you're choosing. I'm using Clear by Grande Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a little bit of this eyeshadow with a lighter color and just do my inner corner a little bit. Just to brighten it up a little bit. I can never not do this with my makeup. Alright, so that's the grunge makeup. It's a little deeper, a little darker, a lot more brown, not a ton of colors. And yeah, thanks for getting ready with me.